Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a creative day. In this video, I will teach you how to SEO optimize your blog articles in Wix Studio. Blogs are the primary method to add the content on your website and rank on search engines. So it's very important that you optimize your blog articles for search engines. Let's learn how you can do that in Wix Studio. Wix Studio actually has a lot of new features that will allow you to rank your blog quickly on search engines. So all the SEO are handled in this SEO panel right here. And when you go there, you will first have the focus keyword, which you can add right here, right? So when you add your focus keyword, it will analyze your entire blog article and tell you all the problems, all the errors that you have in terms of SEO. So for example, we have the indexing. So if you have this problem, you can go to the advanced section and here you can set the robot meta tags. So when you click on no index right here, you check this box. It will stop this blog from indexing on the search engines. We don't need that. So make sure that you don't have this option checked. You can do that if you are still working on the blog articles and it is live on your website. In that case, you can check this and it will disallow search engines from indexing this page. We have the no follow here, which will add the no follow attribute for all the links on your web page. These are advanced features that you can use, but most of the time you won't need them. Let's go back to the assistants, and here we have some instruction on how you can optimize your website for SEO. We have the focus keyword in the title tag. We have that. We have the image and video. We have the image here. We have the focus keyword in S2 and S3. I have taken care of everything right here. So this is a great checklist for SEO and a great tool for search engine optimization. So make sure that you put your focus keyword here and follow all these guides right here. All right. Now I want to show you another thing, a very amazing feature in Wix Studio. When you go to the get keyword ideas right here, you will have the option to do keyword research using some very popular premium tool. The SEMrush right here is my personal favorite. It has the most accurate data, and every time you will get a very good keyword, seed keyword, as well as related keyword. So what you can do is you can install it in your website, and in every 24 hour you can do 10 keyword searches, which is more than enough. Every time you create a product or blog, you can do the keyword research. So simply add it to the website. Now you can create your account in here, and you can connect the SEMrush to your website. All right, so once you are done with that, you will have the option to add your seed keyword here. So let's add Wix Studio. This is very important. So Google and other search engines show different results for different countries. So if you are searching for Wix Studio in India, you will have a different result. If you are searching in Japan, you will have the result in Japanese, and so on. So the primary results will be different for different countries. So make sure you are using the right country for your search keyword. This is especially useful for the e-commerce website. So once you are done selecting your country and adding your keyword, hit analyze, and it will give you some very good keyword for your seed keyword. All right, so right here we have the search volume in the United States, the trend, the keyword difficulty, the search intent, and the focus keyword. So for this one, we have the Wix Studio template. For the blog articles, what I recommend is to use the search intent of informational and commercial, right? The navigational keywords are always, the users always know where they want to go. So if someone is searching for Wix Studio and it's a navigational keyword, users know that they want to go to the official Wix Studio website. What you want to go for is the informational keyword right here. So Wix Studio templates is a keyword which people want information for. People want to research this keyword, and that is why I have used it in this article. Right. So informational and commercial keywords are the best intent for your blog. So once you are done with that, just replace the keyword if you find something better. Otherwise, just go with the one that you have already added. You should also take care of the difficulty rank, the keyword difficulty. If you have a new website, the easy difficulty is the best for you. And as you get more backlinks, more authority, you can go for the medium. And if you have high authority, you can go with the difficult keywords. You can also change the country here and redo the entire search, and maybe you will find some new keywords. So the volume will be different, and sometimes the keywords will be different as well. So, for example, we have the best Wix Studio websites, Wix Studio versus Webflow, and so on. And if let's say, let's go for Japan, for example. You will have a different result. So we have the Japanese related keywords right here. So this is how you take care of the keyword research in Wix Studio. So based on the keywords, you can get the recommendation about what you should do to create the best SEO settings for your blog articles. Right here, we have the additional tags. And one thing I do here is add the meta tags. So right here, I will drop this code in the description. And what you can do is you can add the keywords of your blog, just like we do for the YouTube. Although Google does not use the keywords, um, it doesn't hurt us to add the keywords, because there are a lot more search engines and different research tools that uses the keyword of the website, your blog. So maybe it will be helpful somewhere. So it's a good idea. It's a good way to get more traffic to add the keyword. So I will drop the code of this in the description. All you have to do is add additional meta tags, and you will be able to add your own keywords. Also, make sure that whenever you add an image, go to the settings and add the alternative text. The alternative text help increase the accessibility of your blog articles, your website. What happens is some people who are visually impaired, they use a screen reader to get access to the content of your blog. And screen readers, instead of the image, because people cannot see the image, visually impaired people, they read this alternative text, and it helps them understand the content better. And Google actually treats alternative text as a high ranking signal for the SEO. So make sure that you add relevant alternative text for your images. Also, make sure that you assign the right heading tag to your keyword. So right here we have the H2, H3, H4, and so on. So make sure your important headings have H2, and the subheading of these H2 has H3, and so on. So create a hierarchy of the headings. That way you will have a much better content structure and will help search engines understand your content better. One of the primary ranking factors in the search engines are the internal links, and Wix Studio Blog has done it really well. What they have done is they add these hashtags, and when you add a hashtag to any keyword, it will create an internal link for that. So make sure that you add the hashtag for your important keywords like Wix Studio templates, and so on. So all the cornerstone keywords of your website, your main keywords, make sure to add a hashtag in your blogs, and it will create a good internal link structure and help you rank your website better. Apart from that, make sure that you add the basic meta tags of your website. For the title tag, I will recommend keeping it under 60. So right here it is 69, but you should keep it under 60 characters. The meta description should be under 150, and make sure to add the main keywords in both of these. So yeah, this is how you optimize your blog articles in Wix Studio. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.